Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Is there a limit for Monzo? I'm going to start by giving you a quick overview of Monzo, and then I'll dive into the different limits that you need to be aware of. I'll also talk about some of the things you can do to avoid hitting these limits. So, let's get started. What is Monzo? Monzo is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including a current account, a credit card, and a prepaid card. Monzo is available in the UK, Europe, and the US. One of the things that makes Monzo unique is that it doesn't have any overdraft fees or hidden charges. This makes it a great option for people who are looking for a bank that is transparent and affordable. Monzo limits. There are a few different limits that you need to be aware of when using Monzo. Spending limit. The daily spending limit for your Monzo card is £1,000. You can increase this limit by contacting Monzo customer support. Withdrawal limit. The daily withdrawal limit for your Monzo card is £2,000. You can increase this limit by contacting Monzo customer support. Deposit limit. The daily deposit limit for your Monzo account is £10,000. You can increase this limit by contacting Monzo customer support. Transfer limit. The daily transfer limit for your Monzo account is £25,000. You can increase this limit by contacting Monzo customer support. Foreign exchange limit. The daily foreign exchange limit for your Monzo card is £5,000. You can increase this limit by contacting Monzo customer support. How to avoid hitting your Monzo limits. There are a few things you can do to avoid hitting your Monzo limits. Plan your spending in advance. If you know you're going to be making a large purchase, make sure you have enough money in your account to cover it. Use your Monzo card for everyday purchases. This will help you to spread out your spending and avoid hitting your daily limits. Set up direct debits for your bills. This will help you to avoid forgetting to pay your bills and potentially incurring overdraft fees. Monitor your spending regularly. This will help you to track your spending and make sure you're not overspending. Additional tips. If you're planning to travel abroad, make sure you're aware of the exchange rates and fees that may apply. You can increase your Monzo limits by contacting Monzo customer support. If you're concerned about hitting your Monzo limits, you can always contact Monzo customer support for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.